Mama Love, how you feeling over here?
I'm just blessed to see y'all.
Let's go.
Shout out to Mama Love.
Mama Love energy. Let's go.
All that energy is being sent to create a spirit bomb for him to bust us out.
Let's go.
2, are you ready, bro? 1, let's go.
Let's go.
1, 2,
Get that money.
4,
Come on.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Money
10, count, 11, 12,
Hey.
13,
Yeah.
14,
Yeah.
15,
Yeah.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Woo!
40.
Spread your fingers out. Spread your fingers out. Yeah, remember I told you.
50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Let's go. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop, young trainer. Don't stop, young trainer. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
80.
80, 100, 100, 100, 100.
1, 2, 3, let's go. 4, let's go. 5, let's go. Yeah, you put it.
Come on. Let's go, young man. Let's go, young man.
90.
Ah!
90.
Go! Go!
Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah! Yeah! Nah, 100.
94.
Give it.
95. 6, 7, 8, 98. 98 straight. Let's go. 99.
100.
Straight. 101. Let's go. 49 more. 1, 2, 3. 104. Let's go. 104. Let's go.
That's my young boy. That's my young boy.
7. Count. 7, right? 7.
107. Go.
Let's go. 8, 9,
Let's go.
10,
Ah! Let's go. Why you waiting on the bus?
Let's go.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. The money right
Yeah,
here.
money. Get that money. Get the money.
Let's go. Let's go. The money right here.
I want him to
Let's
do
go.
it.
Look at the money.
I want him to do it. Go. Go.
122.
Go.
Let's go. You got this. You got this. New muscles. New muscles. 125.
Ah! Let's go.
25.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go, young man. Ah, 130. 130.
130. 131. 132.
Put this money to your college funds. All right, now see, Mama Love. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. This is a different breed right there.
Come on. Come on.
Hey.
Fourth quarter. Fourth quarter.
136. 137. 138.
Woo! Yes. Yes.
Go straight home,
Go.
baby.
Go.
140. Yeah.
Ah!
Easy. You going straight
Money.
home. You got this. You got this.
I told you my young boy's the truth. My young boy's the truth, man.
Yeah.
My young boy's the truth.
You got this.
Let's go.
$100 right there for you. Let's go. 145.
5
more.
Yes.
5 more.
No weakness. Strength. No weakness.
Let's go.
Strength. No weakness.
148. 149.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. The champ is in. $100. Yo.
Word.
Oh my God.
Yo, I commend him, man. Yo, shout. Yo.
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 14
years old.
14.
I'm out here screaming, losing my voice, trying to motivate men to work out, and it's been crickets. We had one guy, he definitely came in, he did his best, but he didn't complete the challenge. But my guy right here, he answered the call.
Strength, no weakness.
When he heard that call for the games to be game, for that money to come in his pocket,
You showed up.
he
Yeah.
didn't hesitate.
Yeah.
Showed up.
He got that money.
Let's go.
Yeah.
How you feeling, bro?
Good. I knew I could do it.
Easy work.
I had the support around me and got it done.
Let them know your page so they can follow you, bro.
Talk.
More J. Smith on Instagram, but let me tell you something. You saw me. You
Talk.
me a
Talk.
We just finished it. Yo, you have to get money.
Let's go.
Right? You
Talk.
have to call, you have to answer the phone.
Answer the phone. 911. Answer the phone. Emergency call.
Whoa!
Yo, Sky, it's your turn.
Ain't play Scott. The loaded one. James Bond golden gun. Can't touch this MC who go more hammer than Odin's son. You know this. But then again, they ain't recognized Oprah once. But your man going out like Clip's couch when the sofa sunk. Is this quantity or quality? Queen's dealer on a Hollis Street. Gonna tell me about a doper run. I'm Chinatown opioid. You don't want this smoke.